So, people, I just want to let you know, you really, really need to stop eating margarine. Because
He's right.
a long time ago, a couple days ago, I found out that it can kill you. Margarine used to be used for fattening turkeys, and when the turkeys started dying, they decided they'd dye it yellow and then sell it to people as a butter substitute. But that's not all. Margarine is also one molecule away from plastic. If you open the lid and leave it out in your garage for like 3 years, nothing will get on it. Spiders won't make a home on it. Not even microscopic little things will make homes on it. Nothing will. Not even mold.
Not even mold.